I'm William Castle, and I feel obligated to warn you about the next attraction you will see at this theater. Members of the audience, including you, will feel some of the physical reactions, the shocking sensation. But don't be alarmed. You can protect yourself. When you see the picture, you will be told, and remember the instruction,
how you can guard yourself
from attack.
More shots per minute. More shots per minute. More shots per minute. More shots per minute.
In 1977, animal researcher Eugene Morton discovered something interesting. He developed a general theory of animal communication and called it motivation structural rules. In these rules, Morton captured similarities of a wide variety of bird and mammal sounds. He discovered how animals reveal their emotions by the types of sounds they make. For example, high-pitched tonal sounds communicate fear, while low-pitched rough sounds suggest threat. The evolutionary origin of emotional sounds relates to the relative size of the source of the sound.
Attention, attention.
The evolutionary origin of emotional sounds relates to the relative size of the source of the sound.
A fearful whine represents the high-pitched sound of a small individual, for instance, an infant.
A low-pitched
sound represents a larger, more threatening entity. Increases in tempo and volume suggest the source of the threat is getting closer. Emotions that come from music use the same areas of the brain as non-speech vocal emotions. In suspenseful movies, emotions tend to run higher than in other dramas. Let's look at some examples of how music can heighten the mood of films by manipulating our emotions.
Warning. The following videos contain graphic scenes of cinematic terror and audio clips of unimaginable horror.
Notice how Hitchcock and Herman manipulated our emotions by tapping into the human reaction to a fearful whine, just as Morton described. Take a look at this. A normal day on the water. This is what happens when Spielberg goes fishing. Did you feel more frightened? Did you wet yourself? As we feel the music of Psycho and Jaws, intensifying our emotions of fear and suspense, we may feel that we are powerless to resist, even if we have seen the same film time and time again. Our biology holds us on a leash. The only way to protect yourself?
You can protect yourself.
Turn off the sound.